Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the control settings within the League of Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the League of Legends game on your device. And once you have logged into your account, from the right client app, you will be taken into the home page. From here, if you wish to change your control settings, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. And now underneath the in-game options, click on hotkeys. You will now see all of the different keys that are set for your controls. You can just click on whichever control you wish to redefine and then tap on the key that you wish to set it as. After tapping on it, click on the save button and now your control will be redefined based on the key that you just chose. You can change all of these settings by simply clicking on them, and underneath the additional hotkeys option, you can click on all of these parameters and then add your own desired key. After making all of your desired changes, tap on the done button and now your changes will be saved. And when you start your new game, the control settings will now work based on what you set it as. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the control settings within the League of Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.